Today I'm going to show you how to create a session within Jamkazam. First thing to do, go over to create session. Now you have a few options here. You can do a quick start solo. What this would allow you to do is just to jump into things. It's only going to be you in the session. You're going to be able to configure your audio, make sure everything's working correctly. The next one would be a quick start open. This allows everybody to join your session, whether it's fans, they can view it, or whether it's other musicians that want to get into the session and play along with you. The next one would be a quick start friends. This is a session that allows just your friends access to. And the last one that we're going to go over is starting a complete session, which gives you some more options to actually choose from. So the one we're going to work on is I want to start a new session right now for others to join. The other options would allow you to actually schedule sessions in the future. But we're going to start a session right now and we want some options to customize that session. So for the type of music, let's say we're going to do a reggae jam. You can put in a title for that session. For now, we're just going to put test jam. You can put a description. Maybe you want to put the set list in here, right? So we're doing some reggae songs. Let's say we're doing some Bob Marley, right? Let's say we're doing some Jimmy Cliff. Okay, so then you click on next. This is a section here where you can actually enter in the names of people that you want to invite to your session. So for example, if I wanted to add it in Nemo, or Reg Addiction's bass player, we can go ahead and invite him to the session. This check mark would allow individuals who are interested in joining your session to request entry, and then you would actually have the opportunity to approve whether or not they're going to be in your session. In this section, you select the instrument that you're playing. I'm a drummer. We're going to select drums. We're not going to invite Nemo for this one. We're just going to move forward. Best option here to go with is the standard legal agreement. Put a check mark in the box. And this is where it gets interesting. This is all about musician access. So the first section up here, you can allow musicians to join at will. That means anybody that wants to join your session will be able to have the opportunity to do so. Musicians join by approval. That means that you will get a notification alerting you that there's an interested person that wants to join your session. And then you'll get a notification of that as your session's going on. And then you can make a decision whether or not you want to approve them. And the last one is only RSVP musicians may join. So on that previous page where I put Neil's name in here, he would have the opportunity to join this session without me having to do any further approval process. The last section here talks a little bit about the access you're giving your friends. So if they are on your friends list, there's a list of my friends down here. You click on this tab and your friends list comes up. So if they're on your friends list, and maybe you sent friends invites from previous sessions and they ended up on your friends list, your friends can join automatically without seeking any approval. That's what this setting would be. Or you can change it so that friends have to now follow access rules. So your friends, in this case, your friends would have been RSVP'd on this page in order to get access to your session. Going back. Okay. Or you can say friends can always join. So they don't have to get approval from you. They can just see that you're running a session and then join and then get automatic entry. Okay. So let's leave the settings as is, go to the next page. This is reconfirming the settings that you've set up. Then you click on Start Session. And there you go. Great. And the session is off and running and you can jam.